Students, today I will start my lecture from chapter 6, Acid, Base, Alkalis and the Salts. Scientists, they have divided different compounds into the acid, base and the salts, which may exist in the liquid, solid or the gaseous state. Students, suppose you have two glasses of liquids in front of you. So how can you judge which one is acid or which one is a base? Therefore, in order to differentiate between these compounds, today we are going to learn that what are the methods, techniques can be used for this purpose. Why these compounds are important and how they are beneficial in our life. I will start my lecture with the topic acid. Acid comes from a Latin word acidus, which means sour. Its mean acid belongs to the group having sour taste. But the scientists, after performing number of the experiments and the researches, they gave an appropriate definition of the acid. According to the scientists, the compounds which produce hydrogen ions, H positive in their aqueous solution, they are termed as acids. Aqueous solution means when the compounds they are dissolved in the water, the resulting solutions they are known as the aqueous solution. Now a question arises that how the compounds produces hydrogen ion. In order to get the answer of this question, let's look at an equation. Here in equation, this is an equation showing a decomposition of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, when dissolves in water, it produces hydrogen ion H positive and chloride and Cl negative ions. So H positive hydrogen ions, they are also called the cations, while the Cl negative chloride ion, they are also known as the anions. Examples of these acids are hydrochloric acid HCl, nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, phosphoric acid H3PO4. Now moving towards the types of the acids. The acids can be divided into the two basic types according to their sources. So the acids can be divided into the organic acids and the mineral acids. Word organic comes from organic means living. That is, the organic acid they can be obtained from the plants and the animals. Mineral acids, which is the other type of the acid, they are also known as the inorganic acids. Inorganic acids mean that is they comes from the non-living, that is they do not occur naturally. They are obtained from the mineral acids, that is they are prepared in the labs. Here are some important organic acids. Now we'll move towards the sources of these organic compounds. Acetic acid they can be obtained from the vinegar. Citric acids can be obtained from the lemon or the oranges. Oxalic acids can be obtained from the tomatoes. Tartaric acid can be obtained from the grapes. Lactic acids they are obtained from the milk. Formic acid they are obtained from the ants' sting, while the maleic acid they are obtained from the apples. Here are some important mineral acids which we have already discussed in the examples of the acids. Now moving towards the properties of the acids.